Thank you so much for choosing Martinuzzi Property Group to help sell your property. I'm excited, I'm thrilled, I'm pumped, and I can't wait to start working with you in achieving you an amazing result. So in this email, you'll find everything you need. There's a copy of your Signed Appointment Act. There's a short list of documents that would be useful for us. So if you can send them through via email or upload them to your exclusive Google Drive property folder, that'd be fantastic. I also want to take a moment to just share with you that I'm extremely passionate and driven by service, and I want to make amazing experiences for all my clients, and that's what I want to deliver to you as well. Now, I can't control every aspect of the property sale, but I do the process very well. I'm here to make it as smooth and as stress-free as possible. So I just wanted to let you know, if you have any concerns, uncertainties, or just want to ask a few questions, you've got my number, so please don't hesitate to give me a call anytime. Or if you just want to let me know how awesome we're doing, that's always welcome too. I also want to quickly introduce the incredible team here supporting us, and that is Rachel, our administration assistant. She keeps all the paperwork in order and details on track. Nico, our operation manager, he coordinates schedules, inspections, key handovers, and making sure just everything runs smoothly. Now, next step, if you're ready to launch, we're going to book in those photos and let you know a date, and we'll also let you know a planned date for launch. On the other hand, you may be just listing your property in preparation for launch. That's our list now, launch later strategy. If you're doing that, we're just going to start working with the buyers in our database and making sure we qualify them before we arrange any inspections. So thanks again, guys, for trusting us with your property. We're here to make the process exceptional. We want to make the experience amazing. We're here to help you live more fully, have more meaning, and find more joy on your property journey. Thank you, and we'll talk again soon.